What's going on, my J-Hen travel crew? Well, today your boy J-Hen, or tonight, or this evening rather, your boy J-Hen is here at Cascade Mountain, located near Wisconsin Dells, here in Wisconsin, and we're about to go skiing. This is like my, this will be my third time coming here, so I've been here before. I'm here with some newcomers here, my sister and her boyfriend Duke over there. We got a group of about 15, so we're gonna come and check out a little bit of skiing action on today. So if this is your first time stopping by my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell on the side. That way you'll be able to stay up to date on all my YouTube videos that I post, and you'll be notified when I post a video.
J-Hen Travels, baby. I don't know what part this is, but part 8, whatever it is.
No, this is the beginning. This is the beginning. We lost.
We lost.
Okay.
We're trying to get this skiing trip started.
Hey, we need like 10 more. I mean, 10 more subscribers. Come on, y'all.
We over 1,000 already.
Oh, we at 1,000. This is a celebration.
1,000.
1,000. My man on TV now. We made it.
1,000 subscribers.
All right, it's official. You'll see me in the future videos.
He gonna flip down the mountain over here. This dude right here with this bear's cat, he gonna flip down the mountain.
I'm going 90 miles an hour, non-stop.
About to get our gear and about to be ready to go.
You gotta fill out this.
Okay, gotta fill out this paper here. What's going on? We gotta fill out our, I guess, our waiver here before we start the process. So you know it's real when you gotta fill out one of these, a waiver here. So about to fill out this waiver, sign my life away. But we're not gonna have no accidents out here going down the hills like a pro. What you want to say to the vlog, man?
Welcome to Cascade. This is the rental.
Marquis.
Obviously, this is one of the biggest ski hills in the country.
Oh, it is?
I want some of the best snow, ranked like in the top 5. It's a pretty nice resort. It is a little warm today, so it is going to be a little icy, I'm guessing, because it started to cool down. It was warm all day. But should be some pretty good slopes out here today. Should have some fun.
Okay, all right. So is that like artificial snow out there, or?
Yeah, about 95% of it is actually man-made.
Okay.
It did snow a little bit, but it's going to be warm all week, so it's probably going to be making a lot of snow at night, trying to make back whatever we lost. So probably. Yep.
And what do you prefer, snowboarding or skiing?
I'm a snowboarder
You're a
person.
snowboarder?
Yep.
And which hill do you go down?
I usually go down all of them, but mainly I'm in the park,
Okay.
hitting the rails and hitting the jumps and stuff like that.
So you're like a daredevil.
Yeah, I actually got a concussion on Thursday, so.
Oh shoot!
Yep.
Dang!
Yep.
Oh yeah, they
Wow!
said to put this
All right, y'all. About to get my boots and still about to get started up in here. Okay, so we getting our ski boots put on.
You doing a locker?
Now I'm just gonna throw my shoes up there. These old shoes. Got mine ready to go out here, y'all. Just gotta get the rest of my gear. So we about to get started out here. There you go with the snowboard. We want to see him coming down the hill. Yeah, man.
You already know how I do, man.
He a level 3 right here.
Level 3.
He level 3. He just missing his glasses.
Man, and you know what I'm saying?
He don't even need them, I guess. He that
Ain't no
cold.
beginner, man. No intermediate. We finna get this. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know, you know what I'm saying? When you feel yourself in danger, you know, you use the sticks, you put them to use. And always brace yourself. You can fall left or you fall right. Don't fall forward or back. That's one-on-one in skiing.
I might not ski. I might just watch him to see how good he is coming down the hills.
Let's go. You see that one right there? That's me right there.
Dang, so we trying to walk, carrying our stuff here to get to an area where we could put on our I don't know what the skis, I guess that's what they are. But it's hard trying to walk out here.
It's hard trying to walk out here.
I'm nervous about getting on the sky lift thing and trying to get off. Okay, so I didn't do the sky ride. I'm going on the side. It's really, really low. And they got a little automated ramp to help you get up there. I walked up here without my skis attached to my boots. So let me show y'all what they got to help you get up to the top. This man right here is supposed to be the level 3. He's the level 3, but he's gonna start off down here with everybody else.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it like a king. Okay.
Let's see if he can get up there. Let me try to put mine on.
Here we go, baby. I'm there. Here we go.
He's on there. And I got one boot on, one off. Or one ski on, one off. Got my brother up there. He think he a professional out here. He think he a professional up there. And we got a person that fell over in the ditch at the bottom. He number 3 skier, level 3, top level. They saving him out the ditch down there. That's our level 3 expert skier down there. He didn't win in the ditch, y'all. What happened? They had to stop the little conveyor belt to help my boy out. You finna go? See my boy D'Angelo. All right, I see you. He made it all right. I hear him. There go Frank coming down the mountain over there in the all black.
Hey, do you guys know how to stop it? Like,
No.
make the famous pizza slice like this, you know?
Like this.
Yeah, like, try to bend your knees a little bit.
How to stop when we're going down.
And
Bend our
yeah,
knees.
just like that, you know? And try to turn in a little bit, you know? So you're gonna go like carving.
Like this?
So,
Okay.
yeah, like that.
He telling us how to stop out here.
Yeah. All the way from Brazil, man.
Brazil. Oh, I gotta get to Brazil one day. There go our level 3 skier. Tell us where you went. You went in the VIP section down there. Okay, it ain't his fault, but he went in the VIP section. Okay, he was being safe out there. He gonna show us how it's really done. Milwaukee, right down the road. Oh, you haven't been there? Okay, and she's off. She going. Bend your knees. Look at your mom. Uh-oh, where's she going? She's still screaming. She's still screaming. She made it, y'all. She didn't fall.
Yeah. We're gonna let you know first.
Okay, Johnny. Okay, Johnny. Okay, Johnny. Make your pizza.
You don't look that hard.
All right, we're going up.
Man, this is scary as hell.
I don't even know how I'm gonna stand up when we get to the top to get up off of here. but
Scary as hell, man.
scary.
Scary.
Man, it's
Two
we
scary
going high.
motherfuckers.
Yeah. Trying to come down this hill. All I know is to try to make an X when I come down.
Man, that's all I know too. We only know pizza. Damn food.
That's it. All right, man, you ready?
Man, ready as I'm gonna be, man. Ready as I'm
All
gonna
right,
be.
we saying we ready here. We gonna see how this work out. We ain't got nobody to film us coming down, so all y'all gonna know is what we tell you happened.
Exactly. I ain't falling. Close. Snowy as hell. All you gotta do is you just go.
All right, y'all.
Then go back to school.
I made it down the hill. I didn't fall. Even got me a little dance in coming down. Let's ask my boy right here. Can see a level 3. How I do coming down?
Man, you did excellent. Hey, I was really surprised. The way he came down, he kept a steady pace. You know, he did good.
Yeah.
Hey, it ain't bad as it looked, but it's a nice. You just gotta keep your pace.
Okay, come on.
Pizza. Remember making them pizza and them X's. That's the thing to it. And bending down.
He said, what up, boy?
Hey man, you gotta crash. Yes, you got
Got that.
Yes. Great way to end the night. Great way to end the night. We finished the funniest video. Okay, so you guys, we had a good time here. Cascade. We made it to the top. A few of us did. Not that many falls out here. And your boy J-Hen was out there showing out. You know, I ain't been skiing probably in almost 20 years, so I was able to go to the top, conquer that fear, dance my way down, and doing all type of moves out there. So, all right. So we had a good time out here at Cascade. I can't wait to come back and do it again. Thanks for watching this video. If you didn't hit the subscribe button, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. If you didn't subscribe, hit that subscribe button and tell me how you think I did out there. If you could see me, it probably was so far away, but tell me how you think I did those few times coming down and if you could really spot me out or not. Peace.